Okay, welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. My name is Samir Bapat, and today I am going to share with you some upcoming program. I am starting my program for beginners, those who are very much beginners. So, how many of you are beginners here? Please type B if you are a beginner. Just beginner, you thought, okay, maybe today's session will be quite interesting for me. Okay, beginner one. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, great. So I am addressing the right audience today. So my intention was to address to the beginners today, and today's session will be very interesting, and upcoming sessions will also be very interesting. Now, today's topic is price action. I'll take you through some basics of price action and let's go through it. Okay. So the first thing I would like to know is in stock market, which three answers people never get on time? Okay, I will allow you to unmute. Maybe you can unmute and answer. Three questions three answers which people don't get on time. So you can unmute and answer if you want to. I have allowed for this answering, or you can type and answer. Hello. Get in. Okay. Get out. Okay. Two questions. Yeah, MD or Dinesh, Sunita. Three questions. हाँ
मेरे हिसाब से तीन क्वेश्चन ये हैं कि कौन सा स्टॉक खरीदा जाए, किस रेट पे खरीदा जाए और कब बेचा जाए.
कब बेचा जाए. Correct. So everyone agrees कि we have three questions. These are the three answers which we don't. यही question है और यही answer है. So more or less वही answers are. Everyone is giving the same answers. So everyone agrees that we have only three questions: which stock to buy, when to buy, and when to exit. And interestingly, in stock market, do we get these answers at the right time? Do we get these answers at the right time? First of all, we'll get some WhatsApp forward that, okay, if you would have bought this share in 10 years ago, you would have made so much millions. अरे बाबा आज क्या करने का है वो बताओ ना. Correct. Or someone would say, see, and then you'll get some WhatsApp forward that, okay, I purchased the stock at this price, now it is this much. Okay, but how it is useful to me? So I'm getting the answer, but I'm not getting that answer on the right time. So that is a dilemma, and that because of that, many people get frustrated in the stock market. That yaar, aa to gaye hain. Sometimes we are able to do it, sometimes we are not able to earn money because they watch TV, they listen to some experts, which with all sincerity give some inputs. People buy, but that expert is gone. He does not tell you what to do next, and then we are stuck. Okay, so this is as we all agree that this is the answers, three answers: which stock to buy, sorry, when to buy, and when to exit. We'll never get it on time. I have been in stock market for 20 years. Believe me, 20 years ago also this answer was not available. Now also it is not available. It will not be available. So to get this answer, how many of you would love to learn how to find these three answers on your own? Okay, so only one. Okay, great. Okay. Guess all. Okay. Now, So again, the challenge is, see, it is not an easy path. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई जन्म घुट्टी एंड पिला दें कि हाँ ये लो साहब और कल से हम सब we will be experts and will know to do this. So we need to go through a lot of information knowledge. So what I am going to do today is I'll briefly update you what all you need to learn. See, we all have done graduation at least. We all know it takes 3 years to understand few concepts. So here it will not take 3 years. It will take maybe 1 month, 1.5 months to understand the concepts. But you have to diligently do it. And today I'm going to take you through all what you should be learning to come to that a very good, decent stage. So be with me. So we are going to understand price action. What is the price action? What all we need to learn to understand the price action, and how I am going to contribute to your knowledge enhancement for understanding the price action. First of all, what is price action? Price action is this. This is the Titan company chart, and this is the price. It has gone, it was sideways for so much time, and it has gone up from this part to this part. Now, to a beginner, when you study this or when you see on the TV, doesn't make any sense. Kya hai ye? Matlab, this is some lines up and down drawn, and what to do of this? Like, doesn't make sense to a beginner how to make out of it, when to trade, when to enter. But believe me, the entire secret of earning money is hidden in this chart. Once you learn to identify this chart, once you learn how to read this chart, you will be able to answer all 3 questions on your own. Okay, so just I'll give you some example how you would be able to answer. Now, how many of you are in my financial fitness group, or you are in long-term investment group or MOB? You have been receiving my updates. I also post some triangles and all for knowledge sharing purpose. Yes, okay. So almost all of you. So I'm just sharing what I'm saying. Sharing is what has happened to those trades. See, I've been sharing a lot of posts for last 2-3 months. Okay, so I've been sharing a lot of posts, and I've just taken snapshots of all the successful trades. It is not that there were no unsuccessful trades which were predicted as a knowledge sharing basis on the groups. These are the price action. So this price action, this is the consolidation. And when you understand the consolidation, you can learn when it is about to take off and what is the target. So when you understand price action, you can understand when it is in consolidation mode, when it is in trending mode. Based on that, in price action, you can predict the breakout. Like here, when it came out of this black line, it went till here. This was the target given. So I'll quickly take you through the posts which I have been sending for last, I think, 2-3 months for everyone to learn. This is the Asian Paints. This was shared somewhere around May. This is again the consolidation. You can see the triangle formation here. This black lines, triangle formation. It came out and it went up till the target. So target predicted. So what we can do is see Bata India. This is Chennai Petro, again went to target within 2 to 3 days based on the triangle. This is again Dabur India. And so on and so forth. So these all trades were shared on our financial fitness for everyone to learn what is a triangle. How many of you have seen this on this financial fitness group when I share? How many of you have observed those posts which I have shared on financial fitness? Can I have yes? You have been seeing it? Yes? Okay, great. So I'm not showing something out of thin air, right? So my endeavor is that I share beforehand, before the things occur, so that you can see and learn, and then once you understand the price action, you will be able to do it on your own. That is the only objective of sharing that, so that it creates authenticity. Yes, it was shared earlier before time, and then you can always observe and learn from it. Okay, now how we can learn to understand, how to identify that. So this is a basic journey, what is required for you to learn all those things, how to start reaching towards that level. So first is, as a beginner, you should know how the charts are plotted on TradingView. Nowadays, you have charts which are ready-made available by the TradingView. This is a TradingView chart. So you need to understand how from where the data is coming here, how it is plotted. It's only understanding basis. Then second is how to interpret the charts to predict. Okay, something is getting plotted on that, kuch upar niche ka line hai, but it is not making any sense. So step number 2 is how to interpret the chart to predict what is happening. So stage number 2 is, once you understand how it is plotted, then what are the different stages of stock price movement, then you will be able to interpret tools required for analysis. Then you can put indicators, you can learn indicators. Then there is a brief update on which indicators are good, how too many to learn, and in what is a good indicator to learn. Then very important is risk management. Many people do not manage their risk. They simply take the trade. They might take for 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, and then they lose everything. It is very important to manage the risk, to control the risk. So risk management and psychology of trading and trading plan. If you are a beginner and you want to come to a certain stage to like consistently at least start earning money from stock market, as per my experience of 20 years, you need to at least understand all this before you can confidently invest in stock market. Once you understand these basics in stock market, you will be able to confidently invest in stock market or trade in stock market, either way, whatever you choose to do. So how many of you would be interested to learn all this systematically? Can I have yes? Yes, no? Okay, great. So what I am doing is, on 23rd Sunday, July, I am conducting a 4 hours webinar for free. It's absolutely free for everyone, every beginner. Okay, so if you're a beginner, if you want to join, I'm conducting 4 hours webinar for free. I will be taking you through all these details in 4 hours. I'll be teaching you how the candles are plotted, how to interpret charts to predict what are different stages of chart. I'll be sharing the tools required, indicators, some indicator, one basic indicator I'll take you through, risk management and psychology of trading plan. So all you need to do is, if you're interested to learn all this on 23rd of Sunday, because what I'm doing is I'm publicizing, I'm sharing with people so that more and more people can join and take advantage of that. So what I'll be doing is just okay. So in the chat box, I have shared a registration link. Okay. So if you are interested to join, you can click on this registration link and you can register for this 4 hour program. It's absolutely free for the beginners. And my objective, like you must be seeing my messages, mission 10 million. My objective is to educate at least basic knowledge to 10 million people in my lifetime. So that's why I write mission 10 million, 10 million. You must be thinking, kya likh raha hai niche? So this is part of that journey. So I want you can click right now and register, or you can copy paste this link. I would suggest, if you are able to see this in chat, you can copy paste this link. You can even share this link with your friends who are interested to learn basics of stock market price action, so that you will be able to take it further and answer these 3 questions on your own. Fine. How many of you have registered? Okay, don't type yes, nahi to chala jayega upar hi. Okay. In the meanwhile, people are registering. If you have any questions, we can discuss, because I thought this will go at least for half an hour. We have finished in 20 minutes. Any questions, you can unmute and ask. Okay, no questions. Okay. How many of you have registered? Can I have yes from all of you if you have registered here? Okay, great. Okay, anyone has any questions regarding what we are? Time is 10 to, okay, I have not mentioned, it will be 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay. How many of you joined late? Yeah, okay. Looks like. Yeah, Nidhi, it is for beginners. So I, like I mentioned, okay, let me stop the recording.